Hello friends, if you are looking a retail billing software, a retail accounting inventory management software, you are in a correct video. My name is SHIBIN. My company name is Raintech Software Limited. We are basically software developers and especially in POS industry like billing, accounting, restaurant, supermarket, groceries, all this kind of software we are developing. And today in this video, if you are starting a new business or your existing business, like such kind of business like supermarket, groceries, retail business, hardware shops. If such a business, I will explain to you which software you need to use, and I will show you all this product, how we can add to this software, and how we can do the billing, how we can do the pricing and all, how you can create the barcode. Everything we will check in this video. So first of all, to add the product in the software, there is three options are there. Number one, you can add your product one by one. Number two, you can add your product through Excel sheet, yani bulk upload. Number three, you can add by the product by purchase entry. All these three options you can use. So first of all, I will show you how to add a product one by one, and again I will show you how to add a product yani Excel sheet. Everything I will show you. Again I will create the barcode. Again I will create the bill. So you will get a clear understanding. And I will show you the inventory management system, how the stock will manage up and down. For example, you are selling, stock will minus. Once you purchase, stock will increase. Everything we'll see in this video. And there is a lot of features is there in the software. This is a Raintech Diamond Edition. Let me show you the sale panel first. The sale panel is more and more important like our specs. Because as a business person from morning till evening, we are using this panel. This is the core of a billing or accounting or inventory management software. So here we will see there is so many options are there to sell. But before explaining to this panel, let me show you how to add a product. So to add a product, there is an option. Here you can add a product one by one. For example, if you have a product like this one, Parle-G biscuit. This Parle-G biscuit, I will type it over here. Parle-G biscuit, and I will put a category, general category. If you have, if you want to make a special category, you can create it over here by clicking over this one. And I just put it in general category. And purchase price, for example, 10 rupees I purchase. And the pieces, the unit is pieces. And here you mention the GST. What's the percentage of GST? The tax. For example, how many pieces you received? For example, 100 pieces. 100 pieces you received this piece. Maybe this is not I am adding through purchase entry. Directly to product entry, I can add this product. So again, there is a big option is called barcode. Of course, the software create a system generated barcode. So you can remove that one and you can replace with the company barcode which is available with this product. So just to take your barcode scanner, scan it. So the barcode it will reflect over here. You can see over here, and that's it. Here you can mention what's the price you are going to sell. For example, you are going to sell on this 20 rupees. Retail price is, for example, MRP is 20, retail rupees is 19 rupees, and 18 rupees is your wholesale price. Both you can mention like that. After you mention like that, if you want to mention any expiry date or something like that, you can mention over here like this. There is expiry date, everything you can mention. So here I am not going to mention expiry date. I just click on save button over here. Click on save, successfully saved. And let me show you how to sell this product. So to sell this particular product which you added right now, go to sale panel and click here on yani B2C. And for example, you are selling to directly to customers. If you are selling to business, you can select the name over here in the left side. Here you can option to select the names. So here I just put in a cash sale and I am scanning this particular product for selling. See, automatically this product will come over here, Parle-G biscuit. And here you can, if you, the total amount is 19 rupees because we added 19 rupees as a retail price. If the customer is given 100 rupees, you can mention over here in this button 100. So the changes will reflect over here. You can just click on cash button over here. Click on cash and click enter. So the bill will come over here directly. That is simple practice we can do the billing in this software. That's that much easy technology. So here, let me show you the inventory, how it is there. For example, records, stock in hand. For example, search those product, show all the products. For example, Parle-G biscuit. We added in the beginning, 100 piece. Now only 99 because one piece we already sold out. So this is the way we can find out the stock. So let me show you how to add the product on bulk. Before that, I will show you one more thing. For example, this particular barcode you don't want to use. You want to fix your company barcode. That also possible. Again, you go to the product over here and click on this arrow over here and click on this barcode over here. See this Parle-G biscuit, you can find it over here. Select any template which one is better for you. There is so many templates are there. 2x1 inch for example. See, this is the preview you will find like that. And you can directly print your barcode label. See, the barcode is Parle-G biscuit which is came over here. You can take this barcode as well and fix on your products like that. For example, here you don't want to use this barcode. For example, you can replace over here like that. So if you want to sell this product, it is very easy. Go to sale panel in the top. We will just scan this particular barcode like that. And the product you will see over here. See, just click on cash button over here like that. And just put on enter and you will see the invoice over here. That much simplicity is there in this software. It's much easier, much simple to create a invoice. To add a product, it is that much simple in this software. So let's have a look how we can add if we have too much products. Like we have 1,000, 2,000 products like that. So as a beginner, as a startup organization, it is very difficult to add like this one by one. So we have an option like bulk. So in the product, there is a template available. Where is this template available? I will show you. In the software, here in the import export option, you will see. Here in the products, first item you can see. In the right top, you will see download sample format. Once you download this format, you will find this kind of template. Yani Excel sheet template. So here this Parle-G I already added, so I will delete it. Balance this all the products. I will add over here. I just put this purchase price, retail price, discounts if we have, and wholesale price I mentioned over there. And again, minimum stock maintained. Any stock opening quantity I mentioned over here, like 20 pieces, 15 pieces, 10 pieces, etc. And the barcode, I use the same barcode which is available in this software. So let me show you once again how we will add these barcodes. For example, our first product is Milky Bar Nestle. This is the product, Milky Bar Nestle. And what I will do, here in this barcode, yani number, I will just scan this barcode which is available in the product. The next product is that Dongi Schwaff. This one. So let me scan this one. Just to scan this barcode. Why I am using this barcode? It is very easy. Our time is saving, our energy is saving, our money is saving. No need to create another barcode over here. When the customer is coming, you can directly scan it. Britannia wafers, the third item. I will just replace the barcode only like that. And this is the last product. Let me go to import export, yani products. Again, I will go to import and I will select those format, Excel sheet. I will just save it. See, you can save this product in such a nice way. You just save it and close it. Now you are available these products for sale. Go to sale panel over here like that. You can go to B2C, yani business to customers, directly counter sale. I will just scan all those products which we added right now. One by one, I will scan it. I will just scan those products like that. Very easiest way you can scan. And finally, the cubed chocolate. So it is very simple now. Click on that cash button over there and click on enter button. You will see this invoice. So such a simplicity is there in this billing software, and you will see all your stock report, inventory management. There is a lot of reports, records, everything you can find. See all these reports, records, everything. There is purchase, purchase return, sale, sale return. All these features are there in this software. So if you have any doubts, any query related to retail POS billing software, you can call us. Our number is 0091 8078 or 0091 860 Calling this both number, we are available Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Our office is in Kerala, India, Kottayam, and correct location is Vadayar. So any help, any support is there, definitely call us. We are here to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.